Hello, guys. Let's join. If you have not yet joined this live, you can do so. You can join. Hope you are doing fine. And I'm going to do this. Uh, so I'm fine. I'm fine, guys. It's a nice evening. Uh, it's a nice time, and I have a little that I want to share with you guys, my fellow traders. And today I want just to speak about something to do about our losses. And I'm having a challenge when trying to convince my friends and also those who want to trade online that trading online is a two-sided sword. You can make profit and you can also make losses. It depends with your strategy. Are you willing to take time, study, learn about the market before you execute any trade in this market? And that's what I'll be just sharing with you today. I just need to share with you the basics on what you should do. And by so doing, you are going to benefit, guys. By so doing and by just thank you for joining. I can see people are joining. I know by sharing with you about on how you can manage your risks, on how you can also uh, have a good strategy that will allow you not to make that too large loss. And uh, just to start with you, I just need to illustrate something a little bit concerning losses. And first, first, when we speak about loss, it is one of the most key factor or key element that we are looking unto during a trade. It is the desire of every trader, every forex trader, by all means, to ensure that he or she does not uh, get a loss. And in order for you to make sure that you are not getting a loss, we have some key things that you are supposed to do in order to make sure that you are not going to face this issue. And in order for you to cut down the losses, you should first make sure you your strategy you should make sure that your strategy is tested and ascertained that it is working on your favor. When I'm speaking about a strategy, for example, it might be uh, certain strategy that you always follow or you always use during a trading period. And in order for you to make sure that you are not making losses in your trades, you need first to understand your strategy better. Make sure that before you enter that market, you have confirmed that your strategy is working. The reason behind why many traders are always making losses on their live account, it's because maybe you are just in every end each day you are trying out a certain strategy. What you need to have your own strategies. Own it, own that particular strategy. Use it to execute the market. Otherwise, the market will turn you around. You are going to make losses forever. And remember, when we are speaking about losses here, we are dealing with the real money. We are not dealing with the demo accounts here. So the moment you start making moving from one strategy to another, there is a very big possibility that you are going to make losses. We also have another thing that makes many traders to make losses in the market. We have an issue to do with stop losses. When you hear about stop loss, don't take it for granted. Before you execute any trade in the market, make sure you have already placed a stop loss. And when we are speaking about a stop loss, we are meaning it's an automatic. In case a market moves to that particular region, it will automatically trigger a stop in that particular pair you are trading. For example, if you are trading Euro USD and you have a stop loss of, let's say, about 50 pips down downside, and you are selling, you are buying, actually you are buying, and you are using a lot size of 0.001, 0.01 uh, lot size. You're using, share with you, you are using a lot size. Let me share with you, you're using a lot size of 0.001. You're using a lot size of 0.01 lot size. Then you have placed your stop loss 50 pips below your entry point. So what it basically means, it is just basically meaning that in case your trade moves against you with 50 pips, and pips, it is the percentage increase in points. So in case the market now, if you were buying, they moved against you with around 50 pips, that will trigger a stop in that particular trade, and that will help you not to blow your account. That will also reduce the amount of the loss that you have incurred for that trade. We also have another thing that you need to consider if you want to deal with the issue to do with losses. If you need to stop making losses in this market, you need to have a, a clearly defined time for trading. You need to observe the 4 sessions in the market, which include the Asian session. We also have the Sydney session. We also have the London session, and also the New York session. Those 4 sessions in this market are very key elements in ensuring whether you are going to make profits or you are going to make losses. And if you need to make sure that you are making profits, you need to clearly understand the how these 4 sessions work, and the period we have an overlaps between the maybe the 3 or the 2 of the session, what you expect during that period. Yeah, you need to be conversant with the four trading sessions, and you also need to understand when they do happen. It's not just waking up and you start taking trades out of nowhere. You are going to blow that account. Thank you for those who are joining. My name is Vincent, for those who are joining now. And I need to go to the another session where I'll also share with you another issue that is causing you to make losses in that your trading account. We have another issue that we call the third was about trading session. It's a very important element when it comes to the the, 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 the way you are going to deal with your losses. Now moving, and the reason behind why I'm sharing this, it's because I understand the pain which comes with a loss in forex or any kind of a trade. Even in the layman's language, if you are opening a particular business, your main aim is to make a profit. Every individual's or entrepreneur's main goal is to make profit, make good money out of that business. And now the moment you start making losses, it means now you're not going nowhere. You're not benefiting your life. You're not building your life to the positive side. So now I'm going to move to the next point, and that is the fourth. Uh, and that is very important because it deals with the trading psychology. And when we are speaking about trading psychology, this is a very key thing you need to consider if you need to cut your losses to even 0%. And when we speak about trading psychology, for example, you were trading yesterday. Let me give you a very simple uh, example. For example, yesterday you were on a trading gold. Uh, it happened now. You made 1,000. You made a you made 1,000 US dollars. And remember that's yesterday. And because it was a huge profit, you decided, let me just keep on hold, take the profits, and you say now I'm going to trade the next day. Now it happened now. The next day, you are having that curiosity in your mind, like you're thinking the market is going to move nicely. Oh, you are not even willing to check whether your strategies are formed in the market. You just decide to enter blindly. You are going to make losses. And remember, in case you make a loss such in such periods, you find many traders feel like, let me just take another trade. I compensate from the loss that I've made, and let me tell you guys, that's how you're going to lower your account, lower your profit that you had made there earlier, make losses, start be depressed, start crying. They will not be even making benefit of yourself. And let me just go to another point. And remember, my previous was about trading psychology. If you need to make profits in this market, be humble to the market. Don't just be over curious over the market. Try to take time, analyze the market, understand the movement that the market is taking. If it's if your strategies are telling you that it's a buy, don't enter a sell. Just take that uh, just follow your strategies. If your moving averages are telling you this is a sell, my friend, don't go against it because you are going to lose. You are going to lose your money. And let me give you another point that will make you lose money in forex. We have this kind of the people. You want to be you you want to be associated with forex, but in real real life, you are not concerned with what happens in the market. You just need to just enter in the market and start making profit. Forex trading is a journey. You need to read, you need to practice, you need to use that demo account, you need to perfect on your strategies in order for you to be a perfect trader. I'm saying this because this right now this is my second year learning about forex. I started forex back in 20 I think last year, somewhere like September. Right now I'm coming to complete my first year, then I enter my second year in this journey. So far so good. I've been doing thorough revising the basics, learning and relearning about what happened with this market. So if you want to cut off those losses, you need to engage yourself. Stop depending on those fake signals. You need to take part as you yourself. Read, make short notes while you are trying to learn about this market. Understand it by yourself, even if you just be told by someone, come and help me, I'm having an issue with this particular currency, I'm having an issue with this particular futures. Just be conversant with the market, because I can imagine a situation whereby you have been given a signals and it happened that the trader who gave out those signals had not made a clear observation in the market, you are going to lose that money. So if you need to make good money out of this journey, you must take your time, you must work hard. And another issue that I just need to highlight about this journey, if you need to make profits, if you need to make profits, you need to be somehow serious. It's a must for you to be serious, because you joke around, you are blowing accounts, that's a real money. And remember that the moment you just make that one loss, two losses, to recover that, it becomes a tough thing. It becomes a tough thing. The moment you just get used to making losses, making losses, can even happen in kufanyikia too, like it is always happening. So you need to learn your strategies, own them, practice them, avoid all stress during your trading, avoid being curious, uh, avoid all those things. We also have an issue to do with over overreaction. We have some traders who tend like to feel, oh, I'm starting to trade forex, I'm going to become a millionaire within the next year. It can happen, but you need to be careful. You need to be someone who is guided by his morals. Don't just be over curious. Oh, I'm going to become a millionaire. No, it needs hard work, persistence, consistency. All those you need to work at. You need to read. You need to fail to sleep for some days in order for you to become perfect. Do you think all these guys you are saying, like in Kodio effects, in a Kafuri effects, do you think they just became profitable overnight? It's a work that have taken some of them years, some have gone without, some have went through self-denials. You spend hours, days in your room studying. So don't be over curious about this market. I've seen people blowing $1,000 account within seconds. So you need to be serious. You need to take time, understand the market, take time, understand the market before you enter into this market. And, it's a very nice, within the day you can make a four-figure value if you are going to follow these steps that I've given. I've just highlighted five of them. The first being of like you don't stick to your strategies. And another reason why you might be making losses is failure to have uh, well noted stop losses. You also have an issue where you are not even conversant with the trading session. You need to understand during this session what is expected and what you need to do. We also have another about trading psychology. Don't just be don't feel like, oh, I'm going to make good money. Don't, never dare. We also have another issue to do about reaction about the market of being over curious. I've seen people blowing accounts because of that. So you need to be careful, guys. And I wish you all the best. I know we are going to make great traders out of this YouTube channel. We are starting, guys. So make sure you are following, you are giving me a thumbs up. You are also subscribing to this YouTube channel because a lot more content is to be dropping here. And it's my aim that I be going live every week. I give you some tips on what you can do in order for you to grow. And thank you for those who are turning in. Thank you, guys. So, just to finalize, have a nice time, guys. Till next episode. Bye bye.